winter and kill our chickens.
Is it chicken day?
Chicken day!
Chicken day.
Chicken day!
Yeah, don't run up it towards him. Cass, he'll get you. He's over here. Hey, good morning, guys. How are you guys doing today? I got my helper here. Helper Hess. So today, we're pretty excited. We've got the next 2 days fully planned for a project that I am standing in front of. These are the Cornish hens that we raised from incubation. And anytime I say we, it's kind of collectively between mostly my dad, and then me and my sister and her family and my family. But it's just a family effort. And these are the Cornish hens right here. Zoom in on them. They are 8 weeks old today.
Look out!
Now, the goal of this is to be able to provide us with enough chicken for the next several months. There is, in this pen, there's 83 hens, and the goal was to get them to 8 weeks old, which we were successful in doing. I know my parents are ready for them to go. They eat and drink so much at this age, it is unreal. Right now, as of yesterday, they were drinking about 25 gallons of water, and they're going through one 50-pound bag of food a day. They grow so fast.
Go!
It's okay. We have a rooster that is, his name's Hitler. He's highly aggressive. Yeah, we just have to keep an eye out for him. He's not even supposed to be out. Hitler, what are you doing? Go. So anyways, we're gonna process these today, and we're excited to take you guys through the process with us. This is something that's new to us. We're not professionals. Should be some good day today. A little chilly out here this morning. But yeah, so 8 weeks old. I know some of you guys are gonna ask about the hoop. It's probably one of my favorite projects that we've done here on the farm, just because it has been, Dad built one, then we've built 2. They're so simple. And when I say simple, I mean we've been able to build one ourselves. Super easy. It is 8 foot in the middle. It is 12 foot long on the sides. And then you take 3 16-foot cattle panels, and you make the arch. You want to? Say hi. Say hi. Hey, Papa's calling for you. Papa's calling for you. Go see what he needs. And then it has a tarp that runs the entire length of the shelter, which is really good. We are able to roll it up. Hitler, go! Come here. It's okay. It's okay. Did he get you? It's alright. You come back here and stand up here with Mama. Say bad Hitler. Did Hitler get us? Hitler got Hess. He's right here. So much for camera etiquette. That's first boo-boo of the day. But yeah, so we're gonna process these today. Hopefully Hitler the rooster gets put up and we don't have to fight him all day. So, yeah. We'll see y'all later. Alright guys, this right here is just the area we have set up to process the chickens. This right here is just nothing but gonna be our prep table. Knives are sharpened and ready to go. Got our cleaning area right here. This section right here is where they will be killed at. These are called chicken cones. And the way this will work is that the bird will go down head first, neck will come out right here, and then you make 2 slits and let them bleed out into the bucket right there. I asked the dumb question yesterday, well, why do we have 2 different size cones? Big birds, little birds. After this right here, they then will go over here to the scalder. And we don't have the chicken plucker set out yet, but after that they would go to that. So we'll get back with you throughout the day. Where it was at. Alright, here's Mom filling up the canisters. What temp do we have to get these to?
145.
145. This is the scalders. This is where the chickens will go after they have cut and bled out.
Well, this one here is 10-degree difference. 123, 24.
125. What was this one over here? What was this one?
138.
That's the thing of it, you'll blow by it before you know it. Here's your adjustment valve on this one.
Alright, so as the temperature starts to, our temperature's getting to the right appropriate temp, 140, 145. So right now, as she's monitoring the water, we will go load up some chickens and start the process.
Turn this one down.
Alright guys, so headed back over here to the chicken coop. We're going to start rounding them up. We've got our cages on the tractor. Makes it a little bit easier for hauling them back and forth to the processing stations. I'm looking for that wild chicken. Probably going to flog me from out of nowhere.
Oh yeah! You're about to get.
You ready, Cass? Get in there and catch him.
Bring me a bird.
We'll get Papa a bird.
Give me a nice one.
There's your chicken. Get him another one.
I got one.
Go get one.
I got one. Hey, get out!
Get me another one.
Go get one.
Go get me one. Don't call him up.
I got him on.
Neck.
Go catch one, Cass.
Don't you feel me?
Okay, go get one. There you go. Just pick it up. Pick it up, Cass.
Time.
Yeah, you can. Just pick it up.
Reach and grab him by the leg.
Grab him by the leg.
You kicked me.
No, he won't. Get him.
You done got me one.
Get one, Hess. Get that one right there, laying down. Well, don't. It's okay, buddy. You just gotta wrap your arms around it. Pick it up, okay? Go get you one.
I want you to pick it up and let me hold it.
You want me to pick it up and let me hold it?
No, let me hold it.
Okay.
Oh, baby. Hey, not that one.
Not this one, why?
Don't. Mama, get going. The one right there.
Catch which one?
That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Look, you take 2 hands. Look, Cass, 2 hands. This is a big one. Stop kicking him. Okay, come on. All right, let's go get you one. Come on. Come here, let me see your hands. Ready? Ready? Bend down. Bend down. Go get a papa. Go get a papa.
Yeah, bring it on.
Come on, Dumpling.
That's 21.
They're legal. He was kicking them.
Should leave 41. If I count this right. What?
we have 80 to do. Ain't no way we'll be done today. Yeah. Fool. They get spicy.
Alright, so the chicken is inside the cone. Put it head down. Now we'll come around here and we'll grab the beak. You might come around here.
Here's yours, Molly.
You'll pull the beak through.
Why don't you put the GoPro head thing on? You might have cut it a little bit deeper. I might have cut a little deeper.
What?
It's bleeding everywhere. I said I might have cut it a little deeper.
This is my sister. Rocking her J. Crew.
I'm about to take these over off. That's not the purpose of that.
Alright, Mom, you ready to take one to the scalder?
I need that second one. I'll get it.
Well, it's not. It's. I did exactly. Mine is good. I cut it just like Daddy told me to.
Okay, hand it here and I'm going to scald them.
Take that bird to the scalder. Whoever cut that one.
Thermometer, Betsy, and see what this temperature is over here.
Where did you put the thermometer?
It was laying
Down there on the, unless you move this down there on
right
the
here, right here.
gas tank.
See it under the mattress?
Who's cutting chicken with goosies on?
Is that you cut?
Yeah, it's okay.
Why don't we just cut it like this?
I've been boo-booed. Here,
I can't do nothing in these gloves.
You look like the Terminator. Alright, this is
That's good.
144.
All right, now when I take this one out, you'll need to check this temp.
This tent, you may check it now?
No, when I take this bird out. Come down here and he said, this ain't my thing.
Your little claws are sharp. When was the last time I was vaccinated, Mother?
I don't know.
You know what we need to do is we need to get some type of hook so you can stick them in here.
He's
And,
got a hook. Remember that you hook them with?
where's that thing at?
I don't know, but this here's easier for me. Go clean your hand up with some disinfectant. I'm fine. Quit.
I want to video the plucker.
Okay, I'll holler.
Popo's just excited to
To be outside.
be outside and watching everybody. Alright, is that ready? What?
You got a big glob of blood in your ear.
I got them distracted in a good way.
What?
Turn it.
What happened?
She got a big glob of blood in her ear.
Let me see. Let me see.
I can't see.
All right. Do you want to learn how to operate this machine?
Of course, like, let me get my mask on.
You can be the plucker, buddy.
Epi.
You get out of the way, it's fixing to sling all over you.
this thing.
Yes, sir.
I'll have to pull
Oh,
it in. I didn't leave it long enough.
Say yes, sir.
Huh?
Thought I said say yes, sir.
Here, hold it up.
What?
That is cool.
Broke the leg off.
Go hit the ground. Go hit the ground. I killed a spider. Yeah. Okay.
Chicken plucker. First bird just came out of the plucker.
Less than 10 seconds, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. That thing's amazing. Got Hessie over there filling up our chilling coolers. Hessie, you doing a good job.
See right here? We're gonna come through here and you ain't saving them, are you?
That would be bone broth.
Yeah, save them.
Well, you're gonna have to peel them.
Well, we can't,
You'll have to skin them.
Okay.
watch your hand on that knife.
All right, you get those two things done, okay? This table, we're gonna have to get it level.
Where is the cutting boards?
They're in there on the sink. I got them ready, but I failed to bring them out. All right, then, see, I want to get this table leveled up. Well, the next thing I need to do is remove the head. I'm afraid then you come up in here. Now give me some room, honey. And you locate, this is the crop. Right here.
That way.
Right there. See, it's empty. Well, the darn thing's trying to slide off on me. But I get a hold of the crop.
I think it'd be better if I went from here.
You want the wooden one or the...
Yeah, it gets the crop and the esophagus turned loose. All right, then I'm gonna go back here. Now this is the vent. I'm gonna cut a slit. Like so. Careful not to get into the viscera. I'm gonna open the bird up like that. Then I'm gonna take my hand. You wanna save the livers?
No.
Then
I want you to check them to see if the birds are okay.
I will, and then I'm gonna go up in.
Oh, I don't want to hear all that. All right, they're coming.
Watch out. Here's the crop. Here's the esophagus. Still hanging, trachea rather, hanging right there. Goes down to the lungs.
Will you get the lungs on this, or will you get it?
No,
when you
I'll
cut
get them separately. All right, keep pulling. This is a male, there's the testicles there.
Will you get the red scales? Will they go up to, my little one go up to 6 pounds?
I don't know.
In the second or third drawer over from the
Okay,
stove top.
now,
He
What's
wants
that
these chicken feet.
I've got something that's torn, but it's okay. All right, we're gonna pull this over to this side. We're gonna go around. Goodness, look at that bursa.
What's that mean?
That's immune system's good shape.
But we got some
Yeah.
yellow do.
Where's Grace come from?
What?
Where's Grace come from, Daddy?
Where'd what come from?
Bo's not here?
I told you, I think Bo had a...
Huh?
He's coming later. He is at Nelson's house. He had to go to a birthday party.
Okay, that's the viscera. You know, the liver looks great. Do you want the liver and
Do you want
heart?
the liver, Betsy?
Yeah.
Well, I need something to put it in,
Need a
but
pan.
Yes.
you got to be careful.
Fresh pan, and they'll have to be iced down.
Do I need to get a pan with ice?
Probably wouldn't hurt. How about the gizzard? Now that's heart.
Heart's good. What is that?
Huh? That's the gallbladder.
That's what you
Full
don't
of gall.
want.
You don't want to.
Mess it up.
Well, you don't want to rupture it. Get it all over everything. I've done a pretty good job harvesting livers.
All right, so the one over here just needs to be.
That just needs. Well, we got to get the lungs out. See the lungs right there, the lung tissue. Well, I got to go back up here and pull the trach.
You gonna cut the neck off?
Papa.
You want the neck cut
No, I
off?
don't want the neck.
Well, then here, watch
Unless
out.
we.
Papa.
Yeah,
Dad.
that's a chicken.
I think it's for. Asa, get away. Huh? Look.
This is where I need a set of good shears. Because you got to go through bone. Give me them scissors.
Why are you doing this? Why are you fighting
Like I said, we're going to the table level. You did?
I can't stick it. I can't stick it.
And you basically, on these, I have seen people take a spoon, but
Just reach in there and get them out.
just got to pull them out. They lay right in against the rib cage. See?
Papa.
Pink lung tissue.
Asa. Papa.
What, buddy?
Okay.
Oh, no. There's Papa.
All right. Do you know?
There's some out here in that upright. Where are we going? We're going in here with the chicken?
Okay, so we are to the chicken wrapping parts where we're getting them ready to go into the freezer. First thing we want to do is look the bird over, make sure that we didn't miss anything during the process. Basically all we're looking for is to make sure the cavity is cleaned and that all the cuts were made and everything looks good on the bird. The next thing that we're going to do is we have these heat shrink wrap bags that are good for the freezer, and I will show you guys what we're doing with this. Take the chicken and put the chicken in the bag, legs up. And then we'll take a straw. This is just a plastic straw. Molly brought some silicone straws. You can use those or the metal aluminums as well. We're just going to insert this down into the cavity of the chicken. And then we'll take a zip tie. Zip tie below the thumbs or wherever you've kind of got it cinched up at the lowest point. Cinch it up. Now what this straw will do is when this is submerged into the water, it forces air up out of this straw. And so the air has a way to escape up and out, but still allow the shrinkage of the bag around the bird. What they are doing over there is getting the water up to temp. That's over there is going to be a lot hotter than what the scalding process was. We had to get it up to 195. I'll show you that process in just a second. We had to add some more water because they were having to dip them so low that it was kind of burning them and a lot more painful for them to have to dip the bird so low. Alright, she just dipped the chicken in the bag. And she's going to pull that straw out and tighten up the zip tie. She takes it over here to Molly, where Molly
is. This recorded?
Not yet.
Nope.
Molly is weighing the chicken. She's making a cut to get the extra plastic off, the extra zip tie off. She'll then weigh it. How much is that one?
5 2 1/8.
Okay. And then I come over here and log it.
Alright, you got this one? 4 pounds, 6 3/8. It done recorded?
4 pounds what?
Pure and right? Yeah.
6 ounce, 6 3/8 ounce.
straw do
Have you
you
got
like?
that down yet?
I don't.
There's another one here. See if you got it.
I got that one. 4 15 and 7/8.
That's it.
Next time I'm bringing my postal scale. 5.
This is a new one, right, Molly? This is a new one?
Yeah,
Okay.
5 pounds, 2 1/8 ounce. What, baby? Fancy.
Alright, Mom and Molly are finishing up the last 2.
Hey, Ace, what are you doing?
Logging and recording. And then she's gonna hand it to the putter upper man. Take you in here and show you what the last 2 days ending product looks like.
About like any green things. You work, and you say, is it worth it? You don't really appreciate it too much when you take them out. It's worth it.
And then there's the winter chicken. How many did we get done today?
59.
Total even out there?
Yeah, counting that.
59 today, and then the others have to sit for 8 hours, and we'll do those
Tomorrow morning.
tomorrow
After
morning.
church. What?
Alright guys, so that's I'll put some links in the descriptions for if you have any interest in doing something like this. I'll put up the equipment that they use that you can find. And what, buddy? Say hi. Yeah, we appreciate you guys watching us. Had a fun last 2 days.